The calibration of pressure measuring instruments will be covered in this short video. When considering how to calibrate a pressure gauge or a pressure transducer, you should first look at your in-house quality procedures. Should your calibration be traceable to NIST or other national metrology institutes? Is an accredited calibration required? Or is verification all that is needed? Will you only be doing an as-found calibration? Or will an adjustment be required? And do you have personnel trained in these procedures? Once the appropriate level of calibration is determined and the capable personnel are identified, the next step is to determine the range and accuracy of the device being tested, as well as the required range and accuracy for the pressure standard that will be used. The ratio between the accuracy of the standard and the device under test is called the test accuracy ratio. You can identify the range of a mechanical pressure gauge by looking at the gauge itself. The range of other pressure instruments can be found by looking at the label. The accuracy can usually be found by looking at the label or the manual. In addition, a standard must be chosen so that the test accuracy ratio is acceptable. This is typically a 4:1 ratio. The calibration will consist of generating a range of pressure points. These points must be stable enough to record a simultaneous reading from the standard and the device at each point. The number of points should be defined by your calibration procedure. The pressure difference between the standard and the device is recorded as the error. Although there are many possible pressure standards that can be chosen, for the purpose of this video and to show a high level of automation in the process, a Menser CPC 4000 industrial pressure controller has been chosen as our standard. The CPC 4000 provides a highly stable, controlled pressure output that can be manually or automatically adjusted. Its pressure output connects directly to the device being tested. We'll look at two different methods for calibration using a digital pressure gauge: a semi-automated calibration and an automated calibration. Each will result in a calibration certificate that can be filed and/or sent to the owner of the device. In a semi-automated calibration, the operator would manually enter the set points according to a standard procedure, wait for a stable reading, and manually record the reading of the standard and the device. Typically, the readings are taken both upscale and downscale over the entire range of the device. With a CPC 4000, custom sequences can be used to further automate the calibration process. In an automated calibration, software like Wika can be used to automatically calculate the set points, send set point commands to the CPC 4000 controller, and after a stable condition is reached, record the values from the device and the standard. After all values have been recorded, the software can save and print a calibration certificate. After this as-found calibration, it may be necessary to make an adjustment to the device being tested to bring it into compliance. To do this, follow the operating instructions and make adjustments based on the error information recorded from the as-found calibration. After the adjustments have been made, an as-left calibration can be done to verify the corrected condition. In the case where in-house calibration resources and personnel are not available, the instrument can be returned to a Wika service center or to Menser's calibration facility, where calibration traceable to your National Metrology Institute or an ISO 17025 certified calibration can be done.